Hello everybody. Today I have come up with a video in which you will see how to balance a gimbal properly. Today I will be using a gimbal Weebil S with Sony S Mark II and 2470 2.8 G master lens. You will learn how to adjust it and also configure it for a better result. Let us watch the video. Usually the base plate comes like this. You need to release it by pressing this. You can release it. Now you fix it with the gimbal. There is a direction given in here. You can see the arrow mark. You have to follow that arrow mark to insert this. Now you have to attach this base plate, quick release plate, and here also an arrow mark is given. You put that arrow towards the lens and fix the base plate. You can tighten these screws with a coil or screwdriver if you have. Lens and the base plate so that you can easily move the zoom in zoom out of the lens. Tighten the screw. Now this is fixed. So basically I am going to use a Sony A7S2 with 2470 2.8 G master lens. So before putting it gimbal, you need to attach all the accessories. Suppose if you have a handy filter, you have to attach it so that you can balance it properly. There are 3 locking keys. Here one, you have to lock it so that gimbal doesn't move here and there, and tilt it up and lock the handles. Here another lock is here, and third one is here, okay, on the top. Now you lock it so that nothing moves, everything is fixed now. So this base plate is moving, you have to fix it after. For the time being you fix it. Now attach the camera with the base plate. Quick base plate. Press side buttons. There is one more lock is given here. Screw it up. Now it is locked. Then one by one you need to release the lock. First you release this lock. This camera is bending forward, so you have to balance it properly. Just pull it down back. So this is the position where it is balanced properly. Now you have to lock it. Press this and make sure that camera is not moving anywhere. Okay. After that you release this lock. Now there is a movement, lateral movement. Okay. So it's going towards one side. So you need to release the base and move the camera to your right like this. Now it is fixed and you lock it. Lock the base plate here. these two things are balanced properly. You see it is balanced properly. Now you move it up and see, now it is bending little bit backwards. Okay. To adjust it, you just release this knob and slightly make little bit of adjustment here. Now it's straight. You can determine if your camera is balanced properly. If you release it anywhere, it stops there. See, you move it and release. Now you see it's staying wherever I am keeping. Sideways, up and down, rolling. Now it is properly balanced. The third is here. This one. You need to balance it. How you know that if it is balanced properly? Release the third lock key and lift the gimbal, tilt it to your side. Now this is not moving. Okay, it's initially it is balanced properly, so I need not to balance it. Otherwise, what I have to do, I have to release this, bring it back, release this and move this handle either forward or backward. See. Now I just change the adjustment so it is falling to one side. Okay. When I am tilting it, the handle is going up. Now I have to adjust it. So after releasing this key, just I have to pull it back a little bit. And see, it's staying wherever it is. When it is going the other way round. So I think I have pulled it a little bit more. Now again forward it, slide it forward and see. Okay. Now this is properly balanced. So this is the way you have to balance your gimbal. After balancing, after releasing all the, you need to see whether the locking keys are all open or not before switching on the gimbal. Now switch on the gimbal. Now go to the dial control. Press the bottom of the dial. You will find motor. Now press the right side of the dial. It says auto, level and custom. You just press again auto. The gimbal starts to configure itself automatically. It is a very easy process. Get out of the menu by pressing the left side of the dial key. That's all. Keep watching Bhubaneswar Photography for more on gimbals and other camera related issues. Press the bell icon and subscribe Bhubaneswar Photography. Thank you.